My name is Spencer Janelle. I'm from Henniker, New Hampshire, and I'm a senior in computer science here. Outside of school, I'm also a resident assistant at UNH in Christensen Hall, and I'm also an executive board member of Upsilon Pi Epsilon, a computer science honors fraternity here at UNH. My transition to the lab was really surprising. I essentially was just beginning to be an adult, and from there I didn't really know much about UNH. I didn't know how to get around campus or anything like that. I didn't even live in a dorm yet since I started working the summer before my freshman year. From there I had a mentor when I started at the lab. He essentially just really took me underneath his wing and showed me around the lab. And then also on our lunch breaks he would walk me around campus, and it really made me feel included at the university as a whole and also at the lab. So at the lab I work in the baseband Ethernet section. This section of the lab, I basically focus on auto negotiation in baseband, which is essentially when two devices need to communicate at the same exact operating speed. And it also ensures that the operating speed is as high as possible. As a computer science student and starting to grow at the lab, I started to focus on stuff that wasn't exactly software related. I started to focus more on hardware related test fixtures that we sell at the lab, as well as the manufacturing process that we go through to make those. As I've grown at the lab, I've also grown my leadership skills. All upperclassmen essentially are training their underclassmen coworkers in the testing that they do, so that one day when the turnaround time comes around, they know exactly what to do and they can train their future set of team members. Post-graduation, I will be working at BAE Systems as a software engineer in Hudson, New Hampshire. Something I'd encourage all UNH students to do is find something they're passionate about. Whether it be a club or an organization or even a specific skill that they're interested in, there is something on campus for them. The university is massive. If there's anything that you can find to spend maybe at least 2 hours a week on, UNH will have it for you. And also, if you can find something that makes you happy, you'll find other people that find that passion too.